What's up, guys? 2003 Ford Focus. This is a 2.0 liter. Changing the tensioner. So here's my tool that I got on the tensioner. So there, that's what it look like. Okay, this is how I'm changing this baby. And so the bolt is all the way back over here. I'll show you what I did there. But meanwhile, what I did was I took off the engine mount. Engine mount has two 18mm bolts and two like 15mm bolts. But you do gotta jack up the engine from the bottom, just like that, with a floor jack, and you should have more than enough access. I did take off this bottle here. It had a 10mm sitting right here, and then it clips out of here. So I'm gonna put all this back together. Once I have it all back together, I will show you the opposite side how I got the bolt. So I used a 13mm over here to turn this bolt, but I did have to kind of bend this shield out. There was no removing the shield, and I'm able to get to that bolt back there. And it's one bolt. You have to turn it counterclockwise, meaning you got to come down. And to tighten it, I did also remove this spark plug ignition wire from the spark plug there, so I have more room there. But it's all done and set, and I got the belt on nice and firm. It was squeaking so much, but let me finish this out, then I'll show you the opposite side. So here it is. So this is the shield I pulled off, and tensioner's in, everything is in. Make sure your belt is routed properly and good. And if you start it up, everything should be nice and smooth. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. So if you guys got any question, don't hesitate to send me a message. And like I said, in the back here, it's pretty simple to get to the bolt. You don't even have to push that shield probably, but make yourself easy and do it right. Thank you for watching.